All right, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar and to Wednesday. That means Wish Wednesday. You have wish for songs, and I will not bring them up for you guys. I'm in France, so it's Wednesday here as well. Let's enjoy this wish together. And it's you, Marcelo Polanda. You wished for this song from Sadie Sink. It's called Ramblin Down the Road. It's from the Odessa film. Never seen it, never heard the song either. Great, great song. Has this country vibe all over it, and I love that. So let's go into it. It's for you, Marcelo. So let's take a look at the chords. As you can see, no need for any capo here. We have 4 simple chords. Let's go through the chords. We have G first. That goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have C next. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We're gonna play E. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And finally, we have the F chord. And that will be a bar, so you place the index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. All right, so this song starts in very calm tempo. It's based upon the C chord, and you're gonna play and alternate 2 notes. It's a 3rd fret A string with the 1st fret B. You're gonna do that for 10 rounds, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you go into the G part and play and alternate 2 notes, which is the 3rd fret E string and open B for 2 rounds. And after that starts a faster finger picking style. And when I look into the pattern now, there are no kind of exact notes here because you're just gonna go with the flow here pretty much. But yeah, the next chord that comes right after this G is the E chord. So if you grab that one pattern goes pretty much like this. Okay, so basically what that is to play the bass note for each and every chord, in this case the open E string, and then a high note, maybe the B or the E string, and then you play 4 fast notes from the actual chord. So maybe the D and G, you alternate these 2 times. Whatever chord you're holding, you're just playing on different strings. That is the magic here. You can't play wrong because it will sound great. As long as you play from the chord, it will sound correct. So in this case, for E, I go E string, B string, and then D, G, D, G. Or D, B, D, B, doesn't matter. Or a mix of that. But that is one pattern. So bass, top, and then 4 times in the mid area. All right, so it could sound something like this. Okay, that is 1 strumming around. So you're gonna play the E chord there for 2 strumming rounds. Then you go into the F and play 2 strumming rounds, or picking rounds, sorry. Then C1, G1, C1 plus 1 extra down. Okay, so that verse is ended with that C and extra down on that one. So after you play that C and G intro, you're gonna play the E2, F2, C1, G1, and C1, like this. And a pause afterwards. After that, at 33 seconds in, comes the chorus. As I ramble like my father, that's where on the lyrics. Now you can continue that picking pattern. I'm gonna mention the rounds you're gonna play for each and every chord. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to play this with a single, simple strumming pattern. So if you go with the picking pattern, you're gonna play C4, then G2, C2, E2, F2, C1, G1, C1, F1, C1, G1, C1 plus 1 extra down. I'm gonna play that through for you, so let's go. C4, G2, C2, E2, F2, C1, G1, C1, F1, C1, G1, C1, and 1 extra down. All right. right, that's the picking pattern. And now let's go into the strumming. As I said, you can choose whatever. If you choose to go with that picking pattern, it will sound great as well. But with this strumming pattern, it will sound much easier, and it will like you can have two options there. So anyway, let's go into the strumming. And if we grab the first chord here from the C and the chords, you have this pattern. Okay, so very simple. It's two downs, one on the bass and one on the top, and followed by down, up in the mid-top area. So bass, top, down, up, down, up. Okay, you just follow the same amount of rounds I played for the picking pattern for the strumming as well, and that will be the chorus. That's the first one. Then into the second verse here, we're gonna play a little bit differently from the first one, okay? So it starts off with C, 6 rounds, G, 2 rounds, then E minor 2, F2, C1, G1, and C1 plus 1 extra down, okay? Play in the same way, either picking or strumming pattern. And then you're gonna go into the last second chorus. This is not as long as the first one, so you're gonna play the first C4, G2, C2, E2, F2, C1, G1, and then when you come to the last C there, you're just gonna play this for one round, and that's the end of Sadie Sink's Ramblin Down the Road. Great song, Marcelo. Thank you for being here on this channel and having this song where you have both picking patterns and strumming patterns, so you have two options there. So it's good to use some different techniques sometimes. Hope you enjoyed it. And for all the other guys, take care. See you soon. Play tuned.